Can't tell me nothing, okay? Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm gonna do a hair review on this wig. And when I tell you I absolutely love this wig, this is by far my favorite wig that I have actually got from Julie's hair. This hair is so soft, okay? I have worn this wig twice, okay? I have also washed it when I first got it in because I really wanted to get a feel on how it was. When I tell you when I first got it, I was like, wait, is that the wig I ordered? Because this wig is Brazilian water wave, but when I looked, I was like, it's so curly. I was like, is that really the wig I ordered? And apparently it is, and I tell you, I love it. I absolutely love it. It is a headband wig, as you can see. This hair, girl, when I tell you, I just know how to stress how much I love it. I don't know. Okay, so I actually, when I'm at work, I actually wear it in a ponytail, which you can. You can wear this wig in so many different ways. You know, it's a headband wig, so you don't have a lace. So you can wear your own hair out in the front. I know I saw some people who doesn't really care to like wear their baby hairs out. You don't have to wear your baby hairs out. It's up to you. It's however you want to wear it, okay? When I'm not at work, I prefer to have it down, girl. This wig is 20 inches too, if you wanted to know. So it's like, let's see. It's like right here, okay? It's right there. Like I said, super lovely, love it. It came with 2 headbands, okay? Because I did pay for this myself. This wig, I paid either $130 or $140, okay? And I did use a $10 off coupon code because they usually have those on their website, which was very helpful. It also comes with a wig cap. I mean, I don't use this wig cap color, but whatever. And I also send you these lashes. Now, when I first used to order from them, I would never receive the lashes, even though I didn't really care. But I believe the last 2 orders, I have received lashes. I was like, okay, Julia, I guess you appreciate me now. This is the little bag it comes in while it's in the box. This is inside the wig. This is the box. Like I said, it's from Julia's hair. And this little stick paper, I don't know what this is supposed to be saying. Julia box, weaving cap, yeah, whatever. So yeah, like I said, this wig is very versatile. I'm gonna show you how I would wear it in a ponytail. Because usually, like I said, when I'm at work, a ponytail is what I would be wearing in it. Because don't nobody have time for that when you at work, okay? And this is just the regular headband on the wig itself. I have not put another headband on it. I would usually wear this one to work, or one of these. I don't know, they look exactly the same to me. But I'm gonna show you how it look one of those headbands on. Golly, the hair is so soft, it always slides. Let me put a third. Not in it. Okay. Now you see, it's so cute. Girl, you can't. What? That's not mine. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't hear you. Sorry, I can't hear you. Girl, I tell you can't tell me nothing with this wig, honey. You can't tell me nothing, okay? Nothing. I'm just around there. I'm sorry. Can't tell me nothing, okay? Okay, so this is the headband wig. The headband that, like I said, comes with it. Girl, look. Make it easy. I don't have my mirror right here with me, so I can't really tell how it's looking. Like that. Okay. How do you see, girl? How do you see? And you can't really tell anything because the wig itself also has a handband strap that snaps in the back. And then it's just, you know what, let me take the wig off so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me take it out of the ponytail. Now I'm unsnap it at the back, which is just a Velcro strap, okay? So, my hair is braided to the back and then I left a piece of it on the front. So like my hair is braided to the back, but I left this part out so that I could style it any type of way I want to. I didn't know how much to leave out. So I said, okay, I'm gonna just do it like that, and I just put a wig cap on the back. So it comes with 3 of these little combs. There's a long comb right here in the front and 2 combs on the side. And then you have the Velcro strap like this. When I tell you this wig is very secure, since it's not going nowhere. Unless you got somebody who's trying to catch they one with you, and you know, I don't know why you would be doing it. If somebody's trying to snatch your wig off, it's gonna come off. Okay, period, it's gonna come off. But this wig is so sturdy, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so how I would usually put it on, it's extra. So I just, oh, and it's a clamp at the back too. So I didn't show that part. So I would just literally just slide it on, clamp it at the back, take this one and just like tuck it in there, push it back a little bit, take that one, clamp it there too, and do the same thing on this side. Make sure I'm putting it in the wig cap. And I would just literally slump my head over so I can clamp this part. You could put it how tight you want to. You know, if you have a small head, if you have a big head, it's adjustable. It will fit you, girl. Trust me, it will fit you. It fits me, it will fit you. So yeah, that is how easy it is. Easy as 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's no struggle. If you don't like lace, and you know you're afraid of your forehead being one color different from the rest of your body because the lace is steady on there, this wig is for you. This wig is for you. And you style your own baby hair because that's what I wanted to do. And I didn't want to wear lace for a while because I didn't want to put the glue on. But honestly, I'm so in love with this hair right here, this water wave hair. I honestly want to get a closure wig like this so that I can wear that and then go back and forth between these two. I don't know. I just love this wig so much. Like, I'm telling you, I recommend this wig. I will have the links in the description down below. The price and everything, like I said, I think it was $140 or $130. I can't really remember. It was one of those prices. But this was freaking amazing. That's a great price for a 20-inch wig, water wave. And when I tell you, when you put water on this wig, baby, the curls are back. Okay, I come now so she can be fluffy because I like the fluffiness, you know. That's just my preference. You could do whatever you want. It's your head, your wig, do what you want. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it. I have nothing else to say. Yeah, other than I give this wig a freaking 10 because I absolutely love it. Love it. I cannot stress how much I love it. I don't know why. I mean, were headband wigs out back? Look, freak, I don't know. I'm just telling you, I love the wig. I recommend the wig. Girl, go get you a wig. Yeah, because you know sometimes when you get it from work, you don't be wanting to do all that extra, so you just throw this bad boy on and the edges and you go out the door. Point blank, period. Okay? So, I love you all. I'll see y'all in my next video. This video's supposed to go up Thursday, but she's going to be up today, which is Saturday, so bear with me. I said twice a week. I didn't say, you know, which days. I didn't say which days, but twice a week. Twice a week, okay? Love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.